Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can add order tracking page on Wix. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. So here from the main page of Wix, I've just clicked on edit site and this has taken me to the Wix website editor. So from within the Wix website editor, we want to use the search tool here to search for Aftership, and this will require the use of a third-party application like Aftership. As you can see, it tells us that it's a fast and reliable shipment tracking solution. If we click on open here, then it will take us to this page where we actually can install Aftership tracking and SMS. So if we click on add site, then this will take us to the Aftership login page. So here if you have an Aftership account, then you can easily track your orders directly made from your Wix website. So you want to create an Aftership account and you want to connect it to your Wix website through the way that I just showed you with. And once we have it added, then the orders which are made through your Wix website will be available to track on Aftership. So that's basically how you can add order tracking page on Wix. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.